Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can use Booking.com for affiliate marketing for hotels, so let's jump right in. To get started with affiliate marketing on Booking.com, open your web browser and type Booking.com affiliate into the search bar, then hit enter. You'll see a number of results. Click on the first link, which will take you to Booking.com's official affiliate program page. Once you're on the page, look for the register button and click it. You'll now be taken to a screen asking you to select the region you're based in. Booking.com runs its affiliate partnerships through two major networks: CJ Commission Junction for Europe and Awin for all other regions. So make sure to choose the appropriate network depending on your location. After selecting the right network, you'll be redirected to the affiliate platform, either Awin or CJ. Click the Join button on that page to begin the registration process. You'll then see a list of available affiliate opportunities. Look for Booking.com affiliate programs and select it. Once you're signed up and approved, you'll be able to access affiliate tools, banners, and unique tracking links. You can start promoting Booking.com accommodations through your website, blog, or social media, and every time someone books through your link, you earn a commission.